Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel. Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Now students, today we'll start a new chapter. It is very important. Yes? Because the name of our chapter is Water, oh Water. Yes. Now, water. You know na, that our day starts with water only. Because first of all, whenever we wake up in the morning, what we do? We are washing our face. Yes. सबसे पहले उठते से हम क्या करते हैं? Face wash करते हैं. And for our daily routine we use water. Water is essential for the survival for all living things. Now, which are the living things? Let me see here first. Yes, the first is our plant. Plant. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Plants is a living thing. Yes. Second is animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Animals also living things. And we, human beings. H-U-M-A-N-B-E-I-N-G-S. It means these are the living things. It means these three needs water. Yes. Now, the earth is only the planet where water exists. Yes. Now, let's see the picture of living things. Yes. First is plant, animal and human beings. Children, do you know where we get water? Yes, we get water from rain. The main source of water is rain. Yes. Now, which are the things rain can fill? Yes. Let me see here the names where the rainwater is filled. Yes. The first is here R-I-V-E-R, river. Second is P-O-N-D, pond. First is rivers, as I will put here because there are so many rivers. Ponds, yes. Third is our sea. Seas. Fourth is our ocean. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. And fifth is our lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Now see here, first is rivers. Second is pond. P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Third is seas. S-E-A-S, seas. Fourth, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. Yes. And fifth is our L-A-K-E-S, lakes. Yes. These all are filled with rainwater. Yes. Water is also found in the underground also, because in villages or towns there is no facility of water. Okay, so they are using the underground water like wells, tube wells. Yes. Now, what we need? Water. In which places we are using water? So first of all, today here also we learn about the uses of water. In which places we are using water. So let's see here. First of all, uses of water. Yes. Now, where we are using the water, the first thing we are using our water, the days starts our with water drinking. Yes. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. We use water first for drinking. Then second is bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. Yes. Third is for cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. Yes. Fourth, we use water for washing. Yes. Washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. And fifth, where use water? Yes, for cooking. COOKING. Now, students, you can see here from where we are using the water. First of all, drinking. See the picture of drinking here. Second, bathing. Third, cleaning. Fourth, washing utensils and clothes. Yes. And fifth, for making food, preparing the food, we use water. Yes. Without water, how can we do not cook our food also. So, and in the main thing in irrigation field also we use water. Yes. So, here we see the uses of water. Now we see the different forms of water. Yes. Different forms of water. Which are the forms of water? Yes, students, we all know that water do not have any shape. It means water do not have no shape, no taste, no color. Now, here we see different forms of water. Which are the different forms? How many types of forms of water? Let's first here it is given. Water has no shape, taste or color. As we know that water do not have any shape. उसका कुछ shape नहीं होता है water का. And there is no taste also. हमको water खट्टा मीठा जब हम उसमें add करते हैं, when we are adding sugar, so it becomes sweet. Yes, when we are adding in water salt, so it becomes salty. And when we become add any sour thing, it means कड़वी thing हम अगर उसमें डालेंगे, कुछ भी कड़वा डालेंगे तो पानी कड़वा लगेगा. Yes, कोई भी दवाई पीते तो हमको कैसा कड़वा लगता है. So it depends on the things what we are adding in water. Yes, same thing. It means water do not have any taste, but it depends on us how we need. ओके हमको कैसा चाहिए वो हम अपने आप से उस वाटर में ऐड करके उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं. यस. नाउ देयर इज नो कलर आल्सो ऑफ वाटर. यस, वी ऑल नो दैट इफ वी वांट रेड कलर वाटर कलर जैसे आप यूज करते हैं, वी आर यूजिंग द वाटर कलर. यस, सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट कलर. ओके, so when we add the color on the water, at that time it gets that water gets the same color. Yes. Now it takes the shape, the vessel which it is kept. मतलब वो shape कब लेता है? When it takes the shape. water कब shape से लेता है? जब उसको हम जिस vessel में हम use करते हैं. If we are using glass, when we pour the water in the glass, it takes the shape of glass. Now friends, see here the second point. Second point is ice, water and water vapor are the three forms of water. It means ice, water and water vapor are the three forms. The first, ice. I-C-E. Now ice, it is the form of solid. Now see here, ice, it is the form of solid. We see the ice. हमने जब हम ice देखते हैं वो कौन से फॉर्म में होता है बेटा? Exactly, it is in the form of solid. Solid form में हमें ice मिलता है. As it is water only, but it converts in the form of solid. Yes. Second is water. Water, it is the form of liquid. Liquid. Now water it is the form of liquid. Liquid form में हमें water मिलता है, but whatever water is like, it is in the form of liquid only. Yes. Now third is water vapor. VAPOUR. Now it is in the form of, it is the form, it is the form of gaseous. GASEOUS. Which form we get water vapor? It is in the form of gaseous. Now you see solid. Solid, SOLID. Solid means hard. Solid means hard. Then liquid. Liquid means, it is, liquid means पानी के जैसा. Okay. And third is water vapor. It is gaseous form. Gaseous form means भाप की तरह. Okay. Now we can see here the forms. Yes. This is solid form. This is liquid form. And this is gaseous form. Yes. So next day we will start a new topic on the next video. If you have doubt and inquiry regarding this chapter, you can ask me in the live session. Okay. Till that, all of you, goodbye and have a nice day.